Hi, my name is Basha. I'm a pyro artist burning since 2010, and I'm on a mission to share everything I know and show you everything I own when it comes to pyrography. In this video, I'm going to show you Inside the Woodburn Community Book of Templates, Volume 2 by Rachel Strauss. This book is a collection of designs from artists in our incredibly talented and diverse community. It showcases over 60 original template designs from 34 wood-burning artists from around the globe. There are two parts to this book: the templates you can practice with and instructions on how to woodburn. There are some examples of the artist's finished pieces so you can compare the templates in the book to how the artists completed the projects themselves. There is community information, a quick start guide on transferring these very designs onto wood, plus, of course, instructions on how to woodburn them. Here are some work in progress photos to see each artist's journey, and one of my favorite parts of the book is right here. Hannah Baker's design was burned by the community, and we've gathered all the photos of the finished pieces created by other artists. It's super cool to be able to see the same template in everyone's different styles. Then we get into the templates. This collection of design includes fantasy, florals, nature, sea life, patterns, people, and more. The intention is to help artists hone in on their craft with design templates that they actually enjoy. It also gives artists opportunity to try new things like this repeat pattern, which you can use the same pattern over and over and over for longer pieces. Sometimes you just want to trace a design and focus on the burn itself, or on getting the feel of the pen and practicing your flow. That's actually why we created the community book of templates, so you can jump right into the fun part without the pressure of coming up with your own artwork. It's about making woodburning more accessible, relaxing, and joyful, especially when you're just starting out or getting back into it after a while. This book offers a variety of styles and difficulty levels to choose from. And what's really cool is that you can connect with these artists by burning their designs and sharing it with them through social media, privately or publicly, of course. Each artist has their handle on their art so you can easily find them. Let me know in the comments if you've tried any of templates from this book or if you tried any from the other two books in the series. I would love to know what you thought about them. If you want me to review any other books, leave these in the comments as well. I'll be reviewing a bunch more very soon. I'll also be reviewing more tools and accessories that I use when I woodburn, so stay tuned and thank you for watching.